man, girls didn't like me before, but now they see me at 100K and they flocking.
On what?
Hey, my name is Dylan. Link in description. I got 20/20 vision. I don't need no prescription. Ray-Bans on my face make me look hella good.
UV
Got a
rays.
built STI with a carbon fiber hood. Your girl wanna date me, yeah, I bet she wish me could. Me and my boy Little Fox back on this track. Don't let the beat go or I'ma have to bring it back.
Bring it back.
Dylan Matthew out here with a solid ass production.
producer.
Don't try pull up on me or you'll get a concussion. This a non-explicit version of my OG verse. Your girl shop at TJ Maxx, I bought a Fendi purse. Try and hit me up now, I'ma say bye. Waving my hands side to side. This song going harder than Calvin Harris slide. Thanks for tuning in, I'ma have to hand this over. Lil Fox coming in, he ain't with no rovers.
Yo, like, I haven't had sex with your girl, but like, she probably DM me or some shit, I don't know. Ha. Alright, yo. Yo, Lil Fox in his beat got TSV.
We rich.
When I hit a milli, I bought Gazilli. 100 on the dash, they pull me over. My car looked like a 4-leaf clover. Yo, I didn't get lucky, veggies are yucky. My mama took me in, I'm scared of the dark. I'm still looking for that Twitter mark.
Verify his ass.
ABS, I'll take that hit, going 75, right off that cliff.
The airbag.
Broken ankle, just hit that backflip. Don't go to school, what's a fraction?
I don't know.
Launch control, we losing traction. Girl pants up my butt crack, that's an issue.
Don't do it.
Back with your ex, I'ma miss
I
you.
really miss you.
Hey, there's my car, is it green or blue?
don't know.
Talk too fast, coming back on this track. I'm hungry, need a snack. I'm white, coming slack. Got some honeys in the back, and they all kinda whack. It's Lil Fox, I'll be back.
Yeah. I mean, I got like 3,000 followers, so I ain't really get that many women hitting me up, but like, sometimes I tell a girl that works at Starbucks she's pretty and she puts a little smiley face next to my name on a cup, so you know, that's pretty cool.
Oh, I know you get excited when I start to sing it, baby. I pull up in cars that probably make your girlfriend leave here with me. We got Tanner Fox and Dylan Squid. Oh man, this is crazy. I've been writing music every day. As of lately, sit down, drinking coffee with the boys. Man, we wrote this in 5 minutes and my neighbors hate the noise. And I'm wearing white jeans, so they might be talking shit, but they still serving me lunch. I'll be generous.